I just wanted to tell you about the PDF file. This is a book of 342 pages. And you see up on this line here, it says plus and minus. When you go to a page, I'll go to a page and show you what I mean. Maybe there's nothing on this page. Let me go to another page. Okay, so now the writing is very small. So I want to make it larger. So I just press this plus sign. And then I can make the oyses larger because I'm working with some people and they're very advanced, and while they're reading, I'm recording them. So this way they can see the Wörter, the oyses. And if you wanted to make it smaller, you just press the minus. But it's better the larger. So that's the whole thing, what I wanted to explain. Okay, Danke, Son.